Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Isaac Angel and you are watching Where Are We Going? On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to replace your reading lights in your bedroom or anywhere in the RV that doesn't have a USB port. My 2015 Itasca Viva didn't come with any USB outlets anywhere in the cabin. So what I decided to do is to take these older version LED reading lights and replace them with these ones, smaller, and it comes with a USB port. So I'll just show you how to do it. It's super easy and I'm sure you can do it as well. Stay tuned. So basically you need to unscrew these two screws at the base of the lamp. Yours might be a little different, but at the end of the day you need to unscrew the old one. Once you do that, you want to make sure that you turn off all the power in the RV so that you don't fry anything or you don't electrocute yourself, even though this is 12 volt, but you know, let's be safe. Once you turned off your power, as you can see, this one has a red and a black. It even marked with a sticker that the red one is the positive. That's the hot wire. That's where the electricity is coming in from. And the black one, or in many cases it could be also white, that's the ground. So that's the negative. What you want to do, once you unscrew the current light off, you want to detach those two cables that are just like that, connected to the wires that are in your RV feeding that port, and you want to connect positive to positive and negative to negative, and then basically put this back on. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. As you can see, it's attached with a white and a black cable. The black is your positive, the white is your ground. So slowly you want to pull this out until you see this connected part. See, it's coming through. So I'm just gonna use a little pliers and grab this out. There you go. So I guess in my RV here, at least, the positive that is wired through the walls is yellow in this case. So now I'm just gonna bring the negative. There you go. Boom. You see? They're connected right now. So all I have to do is just unplug these, detach the old lamp off, and connect these two wires that are wired in my walls in my RV to the new lamp fixture. That's it. Yellow is positive, and on my new fixture, positive is red. It's also marked as positive. So all I have to do is connect the yellow with the red and the two negatives, black and white, together. And I'll just use these again. All you have to do is pinch them back to wide enough to accommodate both cables together, and then pinch them back again so that it's fit and snug. And once that's done, you just screw this back on top and you have a light that has a USB port. Let's do this. I'm gonna take the red, which is the positive, and put them back in like so. And then once you do that, you want to squeeze it nicely. And you repeat the same thing. There you go. Now the negative and negative with negative, hand in hand, they go in this one together. Nice and snug. Once it's there, I'm gonna give a good, nice, snug pinch. so they would not get out. And then we just push these cables back in all the way. Done. My lamps came with a little screw on the side to separate the plate. So all you have to do is just unscrew this. And the plate comes off. Screw the plate back to its place and you're done. And before you completely attach it to the wall, make sure it works. I just turned on the power of the RV, and as you can see, it works. Everything is good to go. Now I can secure it. And that's it. That's how you do it. And now I have a USB port, a nice cute little blue light for nighttime, and then a reading light. And neither the light or the blue light needs to be on to have the USB charge your phone. So that's a really cool feature. There you go. And they look really chic. So I hope I was able to help you with something. Maybe you need to do the same in your RV or van or trailer. And it's really easy. I'm not a techie guy at all, and I've managed to do it, so it's perfectly easy, perfectly doable. I hope I was helpful. So if you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And until next time, have a great day.